this thing on? Okay. So my favorite cereal in the whole world, Captain Crunch, has been stolen. And I had a full box yesterday, and now it's basically all gone. I've asked everybody in my house where my cereal is, and nobody has an answer for me. So now I'm going to get to the bottom of this, and I'm about to collect some evidence. Okay, so I actually found fingerprints on the box, and so now I'm going to gather everybody's fingerprints in the house, and I'm going to compare them, and we're going to look at the loci of the VNTR tables. So here you can see the VNTR table for locus 1, and we'll be comparing the evidence to everybody in my household, so including me, Renata, my sister, Shakira, Jamisa, my mom, and then my brother, Chuck. In order for anyone to be an official suspect or declared a suspect, their alleles or the lines have to match up on both loci with the evidence. So here we'll be looking at everybody. So as you can see, for me, Renata, only one loci matches up with the evidence while the other one is missing. For Shakira, one loci matches up again with the evidence while the other is missing, so we can automatically exclude these two people. For Jamisa and Mom, we can see that both of their lines match up with the evidence. And then for Chuck, neither of his lines match up for the evidence. So for Jamisa and Mom, they would be considered, while Chuck wouldn't. But we still have to look at the other loci. Now looking at the VNTR of loci 2 and comparing the rest of the family to the evidence, we can see that we can already exclude Renata, Shakira, and Chuck because we know that they didn't match on the first loci. So now we're really just looking at Jamisa and Mom. Now from there, we can see that Jamisa actually matches both of the alleles for the evidence, while Mom only matches one of them for the evidence. Even though Shakira matched the evidence markers on loci 2, she did not match the evidence markers on loci 1, therefore we excluded her. Neither Renata nor Chuck matched the allele markers at loci 1 or loci 2 and therefore are excluded. Based off our VNTR loci, we can determine that Jamisa is our culprit.